Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for Lake Okeechobee until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Clewiston, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Canal Point, Lake Harbor, Pahokee, Sandcut, and Clewiston. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.